All right, so I got this big old saw blade at a job that I was doing, my uncle's house, and I'm gonna wire wheel it. I want to keep some of the rustic look, so I'm gonna put this stuff on it. It's clear, and it protects it and seals it. So, but it's pretty big. I mean, it's pretty good size blade there. Little blade, big blade. But I'm gonna do a time lapse of wire wheeling it and painting it. So let's get to it. And it's for this exact reason you wear safety glasses. Good, they're in my pants. Jeez. All in my jacket. Tons of them. But anyway, this is kind of going to explain where they came from. That's pretty well gone. There's one on my knee. If you're gonna be doing this, I would highly suggest get the, oh, I got one. These right here are much better, much safer too. Alright, it's all dry now. It's nice and hardened. This is actually a couple months later now. I got busy with other projects and haven't been able to film this thing. But it looks pretty good, I like it. When I find a place good to hang it up, I'll do it, but I don't really have anywhere good in here. That wall, I'm afraid it would do stud damage, and there's just not really any place good to hang it. So I'm gonna hold on to it until I probably have a house of my own, and we'll hang it up then. But this thing almost weighs probably 100 pounds. It's very difficult to move around, and it likes to tear up your floors. So if you ever get one of these, be mindful.